Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today I am going to start your subject SST class 7. At first I am going to start history lesson 1. Your lesson name is when, where and how. Unlike many other countries, India has been known by diverse names during the different medieval period in history. The word Hindus is generally accepted as having originally been a Persian word for someone who lived around or beyond the river Indus, called Sindhu in Sanskrit. In Arabic and Persian, the word Hind denotes the Indian subcontinent. The Iranians called it India to the region watered by Sindhu. The Muslims called this land Hindustan, and the natives were called Hindus. The word Hindu doesn't mean religion form as it understood it today. Now, medieval India. The word history can be broadly divided into 3 periods, namely ancient, medieval and modern. Ancient, medieval and modern. All these periods cover many centuries and may be different from one part of the world to the other part. For example, the medieval period began around 5th century in Europe, and in India it began around 8th century. The medieval period in India covers 1100 years. The time frame of medieval period may be 700 CE to 1800 CE. That is 1100 years it covers. Now, major political development in the medieval period. In India, the medieval period can be divided into 2 phases. Number one is the early medieval period, and number two is the later medieval period. In early medieval period is centered on power struggle among regional kingdoms in the medieval period. The main important regional kingdoms were Rajputs, Palaj, Rashtrakutas, Pratiharaj, and Cholas. In the later medieval period, the Muslims invaded on India. They were Turks, Afghans, and Mughals. The Rajputs were defeated at the hand of Muhammad Ghori under the control of slave dynasty. After the fall of slave dynasty, Khaljid, Tughlaqs, and Lodi dynasty came to power. These combined dynasties were called Delhi Sultanate. After the fall of Delhi Sultanate, Babur invaded on India and defeated Ibrahim Lodi in the first battle of Panipat in 1526 CE. And he founded the Mughal Empire. His grandson Akbar expanded his empire to the whole of North India and some parts of South India. After Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, and Aurangzeb came to power. After Aurangzeb, the Mughal rulers were very weak and incompetent. They were not able to control the whole empire. So, the Mughal Empire declined. Now come on here. Cartography and medieval India. The skill of making map is called cartography. The skill of making map is called cartography. And the person who make map, they are known as cartographer. The growth of trade and expansion of empire need accurate maps. The Arabs and Europeans undertook a long journey over land and sea and developed accurate maps. In the 12th century, a Morocco cartographer named Al-Idrisi, he developed a map, but that map was just opposite, not today's map. He had shown at the top of the map is south, bottom of the map is north, to the left of the map is east, and to the right of the map is west. He had also shown Sri Lanka at the top of south of India, just top of the south of India. My dear students, the next day I will start historians and sources. Thank you. And